Now it's ice cream time. And while it's perfectly okay to splurge on the real deal every once in a while, just a 3/4 cup scoop of Rocky Road on a standard sugar cone weighs in at about 500 calories with boatloads of saturated fat and added sugar. And of course, that's for a smallish size. My Joy Food version is chocolatey, it's indulgent, and you'll be amazed at the calorie drop. Let's get cooking. First, peel and slice 4 ripe bananas. Slice these into wheels. Place them in a freezer bag. I'm gonna stash them in the freezer for a couple of hours to firm up. And of course, I already have some bananas ready to go in the freezer. Load this in the food processor. We're adding 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1/4 cup of reduced fat milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk this up. This is gonna be pasty and thick, don't worry. This is the exact consistency that it should be. Add this in with my bananas and a pinch of salt. Perfect. You basically just made soft serve chocolate ice cream, but we're gonna take it one step further because we want some Rocky Road. Fold in the fixins, 1/4 cup of semi-sweet or dark chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of marshmallows, and 1/4 cup of crunchy peanuts. Mix everything in. And before I stash it in the freezer, I'm gonna add a few more toppings. I made this one earlier and it looks perfect. And we're swapping out the sugar cone for a wafer cone, which is only about 15 calories. So let's recap. The junk food version is 500 calories, and my Joy Food version is just 190 calories and more than 5 grams of fiber. It's creamy, it's so chocolatey, and you get a mouthful of salty peanuts and rich chocolate chips with every bite.